Now we are going to discuss exploring Microsoft Word. Key tips. A key tip is a keyboard shortcut to use a function on a ribbon, also called a ribbon control. There are multiple and varied ribbons in an Office application. However, the home ribbon is found in most of them. A ribbon contains unique key tips for each ribbon control, but a single key tip should be shared between ribbons. Key tips are activated by pressing the Alt key plus the keyboard shortcut. The key tip associated with the ribbon control. In Microsoft Word and other Microsoft Office products, the File tab is a section on the Office ribbon that gives you access to file function. For example, File tab you can access the Open, Save, Close, Properties and Recent File option. The image is of Microsoft Word 2010. The File tab is the blue button in the upper left corner of this picture. As you can see in the upper left corner, there is a File tab. File tab detail. Type of file, example, text file, Word file, HTML file, etc. File name, size of file in KB, MB or GB. When the file was created and last modified, where the file is located, any security on the file. Access restriction also. Quick Access Toolbar. The Microsoft Quick Access Toolbar is a toolbar menu that appears in Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word and other Office 2007 and above products in the top left corner of the window. As you see in the picture, the Quick Access Toolbar gives you quick access to commonly used features such as the Save and Undo feature. Clicking on the Quick Access Toolbar down arrow gives you the ability to customize the Quick Access Toolbar, to add and remove any of the commands shown in the toolbar. Ruler. The ruler is a measurement tool found with some software programs that allow the program's user to align graphics, text, tables or other elements on a page. When enabled, the horizontal ruler appears at the top of the document and the vertical ruler on the left. In the picture below are examples of how the ruler may appear in Microsoft Word. As you can see the figure, in ruler indent there is a hanging indent, left indent and first line indent. A scroll bar, a vertical or horizontal bar commonly located on the far right or bottom of the window that allow you to move the window viewing area up, down, left or right. A status bar. A status bar is located at the bottom of internet browser window and many application windows and display the current state of the web page or application being displayed. In Microsoft Word, the status bar is located at the bottom of the Word application window. The Word status bar displays the current page, number of document, total page, number of words and if there are any proofing errors. If text is highlighted in the document, the number of words in that highlighted portion of the text is displayed. A zoom slider is also displayed, allowing a user to zoom in or zoom out a document. As you can see in the figure, it is in the lower section of the Microsoft Word, in which we can see the page number. As you can see in the figure, number of words we typed, proofing error and zoom slider in the right lower corner. Cursor and mouse pointer. Different cursor or mouse pointer indicate a different phase of the system. Suppose that, as you can see, if we have a normal select, then cursor is simply seeing a normal type in which it is working normally and there is nothing is going on. Next is help select. If we have to, if the cursor is showing the question mark below the cursor, then it is in the help section and it is taking a help from internet or another body. Working in background. If a system is working in background, then cursor show the cursor with a circle, and if system is busy, then it show a circle, and we can understand that system is working and it is not working properly, then only we see this type of. And all those are the different type of cursor. According to the place and situation, these cursors show this type of result, and we can understand what is going on our system. Existing Microsoft Word. To close a document in Word, click the File tab and choose the Close command, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+W, and we can easily close our program.